Hi girls, it's Emily from Girls Inc. and today we're going to do a fun STEM activity and we're going to make moon sand. So what you need to make moon sand is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a cup of any type of oil, preferably vegetable or canola oil, but whatever you have in the house should work. And then optional is a couple drops of essential oils just to make it smell nice. You don't have to use that, but I'm going to for the sake of this video. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pour all 2 cups into a deep-sided baking sheet. And you're going to stir it around and try to get the lumps out as much as possible. If you want to sift it beforehand, you can. You don't have to. The next thing you're going to do is pour the 1/4 of a cup of oil. If you want to make more, the ratio is 1:8. So every 8 things of flour you have to do 1 serving of oil. And so you're going to stir that around. And what's happening is the oil has these long chains of molecules called polymers. And the polymers react with things like sand, like regular moon sand, or in our case, flour, to create a change in form. So instead of being a powdery substance, it's going to turn into more of a solid, especially when under stress. So once you get incorporated a little bit better, you're going to move into your hands and you're just going to try to get all the flour to have some type of oil in it. And it's gonna seem clumpy. You just gotta keep working with it because it'll turn into a dough at first, but once you spread it out, it'll start feeling more like moon sand, kinetic sand type texture. And that's what you're looking for. So once it's like this, you can add your essential oil. I'm just gonna do about 2 or 3 drops of lavender. And then mix that together. And you'll have like a sandy texture like this. And as you see, it behaves as sand because it acts as if it's like sand on the beach and it goes through your fingers and it's very flat and fine. But when you put something under force or stress, those polymers are going to make the sand stick together and form a ball. And then over time, or with a little bit of crumbling, it'll just go back to its original shape. And that's how kinetic sand works. And what you can do with it now is you can flatten it and take forks or spoons and draw pictures in it, or you can make your own molds out of old egg cartons. So I'm going to make some molds out of egg cartons, and I'm just going to do that by cutting the individual shells out and make a mold like that. And now you can make sandcastles inside. And just pack it in and then just keep going. And you can pretty much do whatever you want with this type of moon sand that you can with the moon sand from the store. And it's a fun STEM experiment for everyone to try at home. So I hope everyone is staying safe and has a good rest of your day, and thanks for watching.